Remember to do your skincare before you start. Today we'll be using a light CC cream. CC stands for colour correcting and stops the skin from looking dull and tired. Make sure yours is as close to your skin tone as possible. Blend all over your face and neck. If you're like me and have red patches and spots, a green corrector is handy. This one's lightweight. Avoid heavy concealer correctors. Apply to red spots and blend. Go back to your CC cream and add another layer under the eyes. Peachy tones fight against dark circles. Blend under the eye and on the eyelid with your finger. I have some pretty bad red spots. If you're like me and the green corrector doesn't finish the job, a miracle product is this cushion. It comes with a lightweight, dewy, and natural concealer that can cover up trouble. Make sure you don't go too heavy with this, keep it to the spots. For eyes, blush, and lips, we only need one product. A natural red lip colour will do nicely. Dot a little on both cheeks, eyelids, and nose. Blend with your finger until it looks natural. Apply a little more to the inner part of your lips and blend out a natural gradient. Using an angled brush and some warm brown eyeshadow, make a very subtle and small line at the corner of your eye. This helps your eyes look longer and bigger without looking harsh or noticeable. Next, use a brown mascara. Brown is necessary here as it is far more soft and natural. Very gently apply the mascara to the ends of your lashes. We're only trying to slightly darken the ends, so no need for any more than this. With that, the makeup is finished. For my hair, I only curl my fringe and ends. Feel free to do your everyday hairstyle. To finish, I spray my hair with a light conditioning spray to keep it frizz-free and shiny throughout the day. Thanks for watching! I hope this natural quick makeup is something you can use too. Bye bye!